Back out, we're going to add polynomials. Okay, and this is something we already know how to do, because adding polynomials is the exact same as our warm-up, which is combined like terms. So we're just doing that all over again. This time we're going to have exponents. The first time you did it, we didn't have any exponents because we were only doing linear. Now we're going to have exponents. So we're just going to get into it and see what we can do with it. There's not steps. There's just one step, and that's combine like terms. All right. So when you go through this, you look at like terms, and so and I'm always going to do the biggest exponent first, then the next exponent, and that's by degrees. That's by the power. Okay. And so I'm first going to start here, and we're going to add this too. Okay. One way to organize this, and this is how I recommend you writing it down, instead of writing it down like on the worksheet, I like to do little categories. Okay, I look at this, I need an x squared category, I need an x category, and I need a regular number category. And so I'm going to line it up elementary school style. So your worksheet does this, I write this. Okay, I don't need you to write both. This is going to help you organize it to get the right answer, because order does matter. You want to have the biggest exponent, so basically 2, 1, in this case, no exponent. So then I just add it up, elementary school style. 8 plus 2 is, okay, does that change, that exponent? You just add the number in front. 3 plus a negative 5 would be a, okay. 6 plus 4 would be, okay, that's not too bad. I probably didn't need any help organizing this one. Okay, so the next one will be bad, that we might need help organizing. Okay. So this one is kind of a mess. It's not written in a good order, and so I'm going to just organize it. I'm going to organize it, and I'm going to start here. That's the biggest exponent I see. So I'm going to have the x fourth category, x third category, x to the second category, x to the first category, and numbers. Okay, now I have columns. Some people like to do little lines for the columns. Some people don't. Now I'm going to sort this. Where does 2x go? Right here. Okay, again, this is what's written in your worksheet. I'm going to use this sorter on my paper. I'm not going to rewrite this. I'm going to use the sorter. Okay, did I use every column? It's okay, I didn't have an x to the third power here, did I? Okay, let's go over here. Okay, this time I had an x to the third, right? Okay, it's now all sorted. Add the columns and just write it down below. I'll just do it elementary school style here. I could put 1x, but I don't want to. I'd rather just put this. Okay, is there another step after this? I can't add those together, right? Because they're not like terms. Because a like term has to have the same letter and the same exponent. So you can't add an x4 to an x3. So that's it. When you add, you just combine like terms. If they're not like terms, you don't mess with it. So that's really it. Okay, let's go ahead and add that 11 through 20 now. And again, I don't need you to copy that down. I need you to just go, and I'll probably do the first problem, just to make sure you know what to write on your piece of paper. This is probably what I'm writing on my piece of paper for 11. I guess I could have an R in this, but I don't really see it in the problem. So you don't have to. Did I sort it correctly? I don't really need that. I just add it up, and that should get you your answer. And that's 11. And I showed all the work right here, didn't I? All right, let's get it done.